Hello. In this video I will show you how to germinate carrot seeds fast. For those who didn't know, carrot seeds are hard to germinate, as are parsley and dill. Their seeds are coated with essential oils. If they are simply sown in the ground, then most often you do not get seedlings. And you think that you bought low-quality seeds, but in fact, the seeds simply do not have enough moisture. And that's why they can't germinate. Well, if at the end of the video you still have questions, then of course ask them in the comments. I will be happy to answer everything. We need a small container, it all depends on how many carrot seeds you have. Then we need these paper towels or toilet paper. Put them on the bottom of the container. Apply at least 2 layers. Now we must moisten it with water so that the paper is completely wet. Even if there is a lot of water, then do not worry, you can drain the excess. Then we take a fabric, preferably thin, for example, an old t-shirt. I will explain why it is necessary to do so. You see, the excess water just needs to be drained. Now we take the seeds and evenly sprinkle them on this fabric from above. Then we take cling film and close our container tightly. We stretch well, so that the moisture does not leave. And with the help of an ordinary toothpick we make at least 2 dozen holes for this container size. Such small holes will help to get rid of condensate. This will not create excessive moisture that could cause fungus or mold in the container. Now we put it in a warm, dark place. You don't have to open the container, since there will be enough moisture, and when the seeds germinate, everything will be visible through the film. That a small root crawled out of the edge of the seed. I mean that it's time to plant them in open ground. Now I will explain why I sewed them on the fabric, because it will be easier to collect germinated seeds from the fabric. Then from paper. Since the paper will stick very tightly to the seeds, it will be difficult to separate them. When the seeds germinate, then we sow them in the ground, at a depth of ½ an inch. And we water the soil well, so the germinated seeds will quickly germinate from the soil. So friends, who liked the information from this video, be sure to like, do not forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. And I wish you a good day and great harvests. See you in new videos.